Welcome to our tutorial on Zookeeper. Today we're going to download Zookeeper from the web. We're going to unzip the application and install it. We're going to configure a logging. We're going to start a single node server, and we're going to review the application log. So if you agree with me, let's get started. Let's start our favorite browser, Firefox, and do a little search on Google, download Zookeeper, and search. Let's look at Apache Zookeeper releases, then download. Let's find our closest mirror. I like to use the stable version, so I'm going to download the stable version Zookeeper 345. It's a fairly small file. It's about 15 megs, so it should take only a few seconds to download. Okay, I opened it. I'm going to unzip it using 7-zip. It's a free software. I'm going to extract it. And then I'm going to look at the tar file, and I'm going to use 7-zip again. If I can find it. Here we go. Going to extract it. Here we go. Don't need that anymore. Okay, so now I'm going to copy all the files inside of the Zookeeper folder into memory. Copy. Let's get rid of that. And then go to the C drive. I like to use the Linux file system, so we're going to create a folder OPT to make things simple today. So OPT. Here we go. I'm going to create a new folder. Let's name it Zookeeper. Here we go. Let's go inside of it. Then let's create another folder and data. That's where Zookeeper is going to put all its data and snapshots. Remember, we did put some data and files into memory. I just pasted it there. And now let's go into configuration. Zookeeper needs a file called zoo.cfg, so let's do that. And let's rename it zoo.cfg. Here we go. Remember, we created a folder called zopt zookeeper data, and that's what I need here. We need to tell Zookeeper where it needs to keep its snapshot file, so that's why I created that data folder earlier. I'm done, and I can exit from here. There we go. Now we're going to configure log4j. I like to have my logs outputted to a file, so here we go. I'm going to uncomment this line, save it, and get out of here. So far, I think we pretty much have everything we need. Let's get out and run the server. Okay, it's inside the bin folder, ZK server. Double click on it. Here we go. We have a running server. And let's see if the logs are there. Yep, there's logs. Here we go. Works fine. And then here's where the snapshots are going to be saved in our folder OPT Zookeeper. Here we go. And now we're going to start the client so we can check if the server is running. I do a ls, and yep, I can talk to Zookeeper. Here we go.